Tada! So, hi guys. So, ito, gawa na ang ating hair. Nagbayad ko sa Tony and Jackie, which I actually really like. The idea of not having to make an appointment, not having to do anything in advance. Pumasok lang ako at may gumawa sa buhok ko. Very good. And then now, maluha-luha pa ang lola nyo kasi kakalagay ko pa lang ng contact lens. This is, huwag ko na i-lift kasi mag-spill lang yung liquid. It's Candy Magic One Day in the shade of Hazel. And show you guys the outfit. So, I obviously haven't done my makeup yet. But for this year's ball, I'm also going in Serene Hill. Last year was Serene Hill. This year is Serene Hill. And this one, I got this dress because this is one of the, parang ito yung gaya sa one of the dresses that Pia wore on her final photo shoot as Miss Universe. And I really liked the dress. So, yun nga, that's why. And actually ito, I will be definitely linking it down below. But it is not Sherry Hill. It is a fraction of the cost of the actual dress that Pia actually wore. Syempre yung quality probably I guess if you compare mo talaga sa tunay na Sherry, I've never seen a real Sherry Hill dress like this one, so I can't compare per se. Pero parang feeling ko syempre may angat siya sa quality and everything, but for the most part, the fact that I got a really studded and sequin dress for a fraction of the price, grabe talagang English ang lola niya. Wala, nakakaloka lang talagang buhay. So yun, the fact that I got it for a fraction of the cost, very good. So yun, now I'm gonna do makeup and afterwards we'll do a shoot with just a home studio, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Pia's look for that final photo shoot is actually it's really beach goddess-like. So I will try to kind of translate that into everything. Pero hindi din ako ganun ka-sure kung gaano ko siya ma-assimilate. Chars. So yeah, I'm using Innisfree Mineral Makeup Base. Pasensya sa kalat, lagi makalat. Pero inisip ko na lang na at least kapag may kalat, it means may sinushoot. At least, diba? Active, productive ang lola mo. And for foundation, today I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. Grabe! I love this so much. Kasi diba for the longest time, we've all been about this, right? Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. And yes, oo, maganda siya. It works for a lot of people. Pero, ako, I like that it really lasts all day. Pero now with this option, I like this option more kasi I have dehydrated oily skin. Ang dami-dami kong oil, pero ang konti ng water ko. So, ang kailangan kong makeup is, parang gusto ko long-lasting siya. Yung parang nagsiset siya into a thin mask. Hindi siya mukhang mask-like, pero kumbaga nagsiset siya into some dry layer. Pero, hindi siya sobrang powdered, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng skin na layer. Now that that's done, I'm gonna use my Celeteque. This one is magical. Basta 2-in-1 siya. Meron siya parang deep buffer na L1, tapos may kasama siyang concealer. Actually, hindi ko din talaga nafe-feel kung nadi-deep buff ba talaga ako or hindi. Pero, ginagamit ko na lang din siya. Pero nafe-feel ko nga lang, I guess in photos, I don't know if it's just me, pero parang mas hindi ganun ka lubog, or parang yung weird na sobrang maga yung mata ko yung pictures kapag gamit ko yung magic thing niya, magic ball. This one, I'm gonna use BLK Cosmetics Creamy Cheek Painting Peach, but I never grab this thing and put it on the cheeks. No! Ang ginagawa ko sa kanya, bubukas ko siya. Tapos itong whatever man na sumabit sa stick, yun lang ang ipapahid ko. And as you can guys see, halos sakto lang yung pinapahid ko. Kasi ganun talaga siya ka-lakas. At this rate, parang ang dami pa rin kulay. And then now, I'm going to use setting powder. This one is Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. And recently, actually matagal na ako may Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. Pero parang recently ko lang na-realize na sobrang okay pala siya sa akin with dehydrated oily skin because it helps to manage the oil but not make my skin cakey and patchy like with other powders. Kasi ang daming powder na, oo, magaling sa oil, pero pagdating sa moisture per se, ang nangyayari parang napapalala lang yung dry patches, which is bad. Dahil special ang occasion natin ngayon, gumamit na tayo ng Anastasia Dipbrow in Caramel. And this one, I'm using Etude House's brush. Yung maganda sa brush nila, parang natural hairs keme-keme siya, which makes it better for picking up the pigments of this product. Kasi minsan yung synthetic brush, parang nangyayari, wala, hindi niya pick up. Tumutulas lang siya. And the nice thing is that since this time I like really got legit eyebrows done, hindi na ako ganun ka nahihirapan pag may event. Kasi literal, parang stencil na siya. Hindi na rin ako sanay to see myself with light eyebrows. So that's why I'm also going to use the shade Chocolate. So still same product but just a different shade. And minsan ako tumitigas siya, pero napapansin ko, yung top layer lang naman niya yung nagpa-flake. Yung parang yung nakaluan ng powder, kasi tumigas. So minsan top layer lang naman, and then like if you just, pag kumukot ka ng madiin, ako madiin. Ang ginagamit ko na eye base can make lasting eye base WP. Kahit na ang dalas ko pa siyang gamitin, hindi talaga siya nauubos. And yung gusto ko nga sa kanya is, para siyang yung Maybelline na pore blur primer, baby smooth. Yun. Baby smooth. Isa. So parang siyang ganun, yung texture niya. But it's made for the eyes, and I like how it really makes my eye makeup like not cake, not crease throughout the day. And basically, as I'm seeing it now, Kia's makeup is actually like really, really soft, smoky brown with like glossy lips. And yun nga, tama yung pagkakaalala ko na parang beach babe ang peg ng lola niyo. So, ito. Si Pia kasi siya. So, kaya niyang ganyan lang ka-soft, ganyan ka-light, sobrang ganda na siya. So, I definitely will have to make my version, and also for like an evening event, I will have to make it much more dramatic, much more defined, much, diba? Ow! Mas kailangan ganun. So, yun, yung unang gagawin is, the usual thing that I do after primer is to get my Sigma E35 brush. So, it's like a fluffy, long brush. And usually, eyebrow powder talaga yung ginagamit ko. So, this one, nagkataon lang kasi itong Brow Artist Genius Stick ko ngayon from L'Oreal is the one with the light brown shade. So, yun yung ginagamit ko to like go over everything. Parang siya yung transition color ko. For somebody like me na hindi naman kasing deep set ang mata kay Pia, I can only do outer V using like a really, really light color like this one and a really, really very, very, very buff application like this one. Kapag ginawa ko sobrang defined yung V with a really, really dark color, yay! When my eyes are open, it's supposed to look like parang may shadow hanggang sa dulo ng malanghanggan. Pero kailangan soft lang yung atake. And then usually, after I use a light color, I use my Sigma E25 brush. So this one naman is like, it's hindi siya ganun kahaba. Mas maikli yung bristles niya. Tapos usually naman yung ginagamit ko is I use a little bit of a darker shade. So usually galing siya sa Fashion Brow ko from Maybelline. Do I like this product? Yes. Hahantong ba naman siya dito? If sakto lang. Do I like this product? Sakto lang, pero halos nakaubos na ako. And then afterward, I'm gonna use my Sigma E45. So, ano naman siya, di ba? It's a small, like, it's a pencil brush. And ito naman gagamitin ko is MAC Espresso. So, honestly, like, if I could give advice to people about makeup, like, I've said this, I think I also said this last year, I've said this so many times, like, huwag kayong magtitipid pagdating sa dark, matte eyeshadows. Like, basta basically mga matte browns na feeling yung gagamitin nyo ng madalas, huwag kayong magtitipid. O kaya muli ng high-end. Kasi, kapag yung dark eyeshadows mo, hindi maganda yung quality. Ang mangyayari, magpapatse-patse lang siya. Tapos ang mangyayari, di ba, magiging head iglaw. Or minsan, pag dark na nga siya, tapos fall out siya ng fall out, kakalat lang siya. And we don't want that to happen. Ito din, a-apply ko na din to sa lower half. Outer half of the lower lash line. Kilo na rin ang lola niyo, pasensya guys. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is bring out my Jewelry. Tapos literal yan lang. Kung inihiling ka lang i-press dropper. Mahal siya, pero sobrang laking tulong nito sa makeup. Kasi talagang it really makes your crease colors last longer. Actually, it makes anything waterproof and it makes it last the whole day without creasing. And usually what I do is I'm so obsessed with Japanese eyeshadows, pero yung ang dami sa kanila satin finish na if gusto mo talaga sila maging pakak na pakak, like yung ganitong how it's appearing now that I'm applying, yun yung talagang ow! Yung talagang pak color, you have to use Jewelry. So, I'm just grabbing the pigments and then just focusing on the middle third of my eyelid. And I'm gonna grab this white colored one and and then go for the inner corner. So yun, I'm going for this up one and moving it to the outer. And then afterwards, gusto ko lang ng konting-konti itong pinakamadilim na kulay para lang dito sa inner corner. I mean outer corner pala, sorry. So now I'm just going to get Etude House Dark Shimmer and put it, of course, in the inner corners. Konting Jewelline pa. Kasi usually, yung pinakamadali natatanggal, especially if naluha ka ng bahagya. Kailangan ko talagang i-make sure na hindi siya mabilis matanggal. I'm now going to apply. This one is Fairy Para Pearly Night Eye Glitter. Actually, walang glitter yung look ni Kia. Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, alam mo naman how obsessed I am with eye glitter. So, this one is in the shade Kitten Beach. And I'll be doing eyeliner and mascara and lashes. I'll be back. Okay, so ngayon nagpapatuyo na ako ng eyelash. I'm using Red Cherry Lashes number 205. While I'm waiting for the lashes to dry, naka-ano lang ako, taas kilay pose. And usually, this is usually the time when I do contour. Ano siya, V-face duo pa. Ayun, nasi-scotch tape na lang. Halata bang gusto ko siya, nandiyan na ako sa point na yan. And I'm just gonna apply liberally. And ako personally, ang kalaban ko is actually like my forehead to jaw ratio. So, nag-braces na ako. Pangatlong braces ko na to. And dito sa pangatlong braces ko, talagang I really went to a good doctor. And she really made my lower jaw like go backwards mga 1 centimeter. Halos ganun. So, ngayon actually yung tunay kong likas na magandang panga ay lumabas. Ay nga lang, maikli talaga yung panga ko relative sa noo ko. Which is why, ang lagi kong ginagawa nga pag sa contour is to try to add a little bit more on the forehead area to make it have an illusion of being smaller than it really is. I'm going to use my all-time favorite. Isa pa tong, naka-magic tape na lang. I also actually used this last year. If either this or the other shade. Yeah, I think it's this one. I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighting Powder. And I like this one so much because I've gotten so many compliments. I know I've said it before, so many compliments talaga. I think the most tugma for this look is, this one is Color Jolt USA version. This is in the shade Strip Down. I actually got this look in Amazon kasi this one is para siyang lacquer na parang lip gloss na hindi mo magets. Yeah, so okay na tayo sa makeup. Beauty tama ko. Ginawa ko na talaga sa kanya. I asked for tight curls even though his hair is actually like wavy kasi sobra akong mabilis give upan ng curls. Now, I'm putting on my earrings. He also had like long diamond, I don't know, syempre siguro sa kanya diamond yung aking crystal lang. Ito, this one is from 3C. Yun, we're now done with this look. Now, what I just wanna do is itong mga uncurled portions. Kailangan ko lang itong ayusin and yun nga, I think I can already do my show.